All right, I think we're live. I know it's been a while since I've gone live. I'm just making sure everything is good. Get my stream opened here. They have added a hearts thing. Uh, Hello, Sarah. Welcome to the stream. I think we're good. The quality's still 720, but whatever. It's fine. All right. This is the housing plugin. I already got that done. I'm going to close all these. I need to fix half of these that are up here. So let's start with the tag. Um, it would be, yeah, it'd be easier if I just downloaded this as a zip instead of forking it or cloning it or anything. Good. How about you? Sorry, I got like multiple things going on right now. Oh, well, I'm downloading it again. All right. Let me. I need to close all these. I don't need all these. I don't need that. Don't need that. That's another topic for another day. Don't need that. Nope. Yup. Nope. No. Okay. Ooh. Now I feel really blind. Okay. So I've got Spigot tag. Let me create a new project. Maven. Mm-mm-mm. I need to move my keyboard. What do I want to call this? Materia tag. Works for me. Now. That here. I will move these. Interesting. I didn't create a resource thing, did it? It might do it when I actually get a little bit more involved here. Maybe. There it is. Yeah, I'm just blind. Showtime Studios. Hello, welcome to the stream. And need that. And let's see, I gotta do it for Folia. So I'll do it with this. I will copy what's needed. All right. Okay, I don't need world edit. Too much. I do I need this? I don't know if I need this. I don't think this developer did this, so I won't have it. No, don't start with me. Okay. We'll build with Java 16. This is just to make sure everything compiles right. I guess this is a new developer because where they did the My Listener and stuff like that. This isn't my plugin, I just grabbed it off Spigot. Oh, I know. I know it's user. Okay. Misses tag. Where's the rest? Is there not more? Is there really not more? Come here, you. Org. Why did you export this? I. It doesn't make sense why they included half the Spigot API. I think they did that by mistake. Okay, yeah, it's just 3 files. Okay. Why are you using a sign? What are you on? Get player exact. So tag and this. I mean, everything looks to be happy. I don't really see a reason why I need to do anything. Um, you know, that's the funny thing. I don't know why, but a lot of people have just suddenly had a power outage. And I think that's kind of weird, but that's just me. It might be caused by that EMP. Well, I don't remember exactly where, but there was an EMP set off, and it took out half of Elon Musk's satellites. But of course, I can't really confirm it because it's just what people are saying. So you can pretty much guess how that is. Also, why are they? Oh no. I'm debating if I really want to use this. It's saving everything into a config, like tagged player, etc. Okay. I gotta think. Unplayer hit. You're taking the current, time milliseconds, minus. That's kind of weird how they're doing that. I can't math with this. If it's greater than... Okay. Okay. I see now. So those are like long seconds. Okay. At least there's a delay. I think it's like 10 or 60 seconds. I'm not entirely sure. Once again, I can't math. But anyways, I don't even have to fix this. There's nothing to fix. So I could just like drop this in the server and it'd be done. Am I in the right server? Yeah, I'm in the right server. Why wouldn't I be in the right server? Okay. Tag is pretty much done. I could not get my hands on this, unfortunately. But I don't know why I have two instances open. This one's going to be fun. Since the server uses items adder, I'm thinking about adding support for items adder. So we can have, well, yeah. So that we can have actual connect for game pieces, like the actual circles. I don't know, maybe I'll also design it, but Minecraft is updating. It is. Are you all excited for the new updates? Let me tell you something. I am very excited because the way they're changing the networking. So now if you have very crappy internet or very low bandwidth, then Minecraft will automatically adjust its packets to send less, but perform better, meaning performance on Minecraft's about to really improve. And this is in 1.20.2 is when they're doing it. So I don't know if they're already implementing it right now, or if they're going to wait after a few more snaps. God, I can't even speak. Snapshots. Someone's got to clip whatever the fuck I just said. I just cannot English. Okay. I'm just going to download the zip. And since... I'll just leave that for now. It's getting up there. For connect. Well, that's not a 4. Where did it go? Come on, close. Thank you. It was debating. Where is it? I went to click the stream replay of my folder. It's great. It's exactly the same size too. Nope, I need that. Da, 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 da. Is everything happy? Everything looks to be happy. If everything is happy, do I really need to fix it? That's typical. Hold up. What in the world? Why? Absolutely why? Why are you doing this? Just do bucket.getScheduler. Not whatever the heck this is. I have no clue what that was. Oh, it hurt my eyes. Okay. No. 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 Absolutely not. Why are you doing this? Where is this? Oh. Inventory holder is this. Why are you complaining? Inventory holder equals inventory holder this. Does this make you happy? No, it does not. Well, apparently I just can't figure out how to... Bro, now this is embarrassing. I typically just do this, and it's happy. That's kind of weird that it's not wanting to do that. Interesting. Let's check. Did they change the way it's done? Because that's so weird. I wonder if Null will just automatically put it to this. Hold up. Let me check what I did with the housing plugin. So player housing. UI. No, I did this. What? Oh, because I have it defined like that. I gotta have it implement inventory holder. Duh. Implements inventory holder. Add on implemented methods. I will do it like this. Create it like that. This. And then I will just have it return inventory. Problem solved. Now I can come back over to here. If where is it? Instance of next game. And just return. I think I gotta do get inventory, don't I? Apparently I'm just like forgetting shit as well. Ah, much pain. Get holder. Damn. I am really out of it right now. Okay. And if it's not an instance of this GUI, it will return. Because just checking to see if it's in a hash map based on like literally just the player itself is not a good idea. Because then you're like canceling out all these events and you risk being stuck in an inventory. Oh, that bothered me. Is Analogy getting updated? Analogy has probably crashed. Let me check. Analogy has crashed again. Let me fix it. There's a data leak with the permission plugin that we use, and they're currently working on a recode for it, but until then, I gotta just restart the proxy every 12 hours. And I kind of keep forgetting to. But it's back up, it's fixed. Okay. All right. That pretty much covers whatever I want to do. Pretty much. I lied. Like, it's got to check for this. Because then you're like checking every single inventory open, and it's not a good idea. Really, it's not. Okay. So that's been fixed. I don't even have to export that like I normally do. I could just do it like this. Well, no, I can't because of how I did it. Okay. Connect 4. I can now drop this into the server. Yeah, just for now. I will do the custom items and the custom GUI when we get all those made. Because we don't currently have any of those made. And then, so we've got Connect 4. Is that it? Is that all we needed? I think so. If anyone knows where I could find a plugin for Dance Dance Revolution, let me know. Because I kind of need one. Let me think. There's something else I was needing to do, but I don't remember. Yeah, I remember when that book comes. In the meantime, I can reboot this and see what breaks. You know, it's bad when a server is calling a developer out. That's pretty bad. I mean, I guess I'm technically working on like two servers. I'm sorry, am I the only one that just noticed that the text on the live views now like drops down? That's cool. Is that like a new feature? Or has that like been a thing? Okay, I am near a hole. Thank you for the blocks. Oh, well. It ain't no leaks. It ain't no leaks. I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh. Oh, that. I broke. Connect 4 loaded. Tag loaded. What? Hold up. Like, it's not doing anything. What the fuck? I lied. Tag's broken. It doesn't even attempt to do the do. Let's connect 4 work. Uh, command for it. What is your command? Oh, nope. Cancel, cancel. I need that. For connect. I have sent a request. You accept my request. Oh boy. Okay, how do I play this? I guess it's my turn. Right click. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so I actually have to click the blot as normal. Got it. Thank you. Take your turn. Ah. How do I want to do this? I'll do that. That's what I'll do. Yes. Eh. Hmm. The dev server is been repurposed. Oh, what did you oh, you placed there. You placed there of all places. Hmm. Yes. Uh. Why? Hmm. No. No. I won? How did I win? Hold up. Oh, I did! Right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I didn't even realize. Oh, that's great. Don't worry, boys. I got it on replay. We're good. I thought, well, I guess it just bugged out. No, it's working as intended. Oh, That's great. I wish you could click anywhere and it just automatically puts them to the very bottom. I might be able to like categorize them. I wonder. I wonder if I can categorize them like that. So like if you click one block at the top, it'll automatically put it to the bottom. But how would I do that? How would I categorize it like an array? I guess, what's that? 9 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 times 6. What's that? Like 54? So subtract two categories, starting with index 1 to like 8, because you got blocks on each side. And then within those 8 rows, okay, I use a hash map. I got the number for the rows, which is the int. Hello, Aika. So, yeah, okay. I got the rows for the int, which is going from left to right. So, let me get to, where are you? This. Actually, I gotta do it. No, I gotta do it here, don't I? Yeah. Okay. So the way I'll do this is I gotta think of what the best way to do this is. Because like I gotta categorize everything into a row within an array. So the top row, I guess I could start. Because you're going from top to bottom with Connect 4. So I can have the rows, and each row has its own separate row that goes down. So like 1 or 0, 10, etc. Ignore if I spell shit wrong. And then I'll do a list integer. And this will be rows. Hey, look, I spelled that right. Look at me. Okay. So we've got player 1, player 2. I need to do this. Hold up. I need the list integer for row 1. And I'll cast it just to an array list because it really doesn't matter. A Tay list. Okay. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So there's that. To make it easier, I will just put this in its own little function. It's bored. Go. Fancy. I'll do that. And then what I can do is, I guess, just add each of the inventory slots. So we open my snipping tool. Since I still got the stream paused, I'll use that to my advantage. And let me get a lab replay going here. I use paint.net. I'll cheat whenever it opens. I'll make this bigger. Okay. So we have one. Wow, that is very small. That's what she said. Two. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And yes, I am, in fact, putting this in the wrong spot. Simple as that. Yes, Winter? In the DMs. I am looking in the DMs. What am I looking for? Oh, you're talking to Graham. I was like confused. Okay. So, back to me numbering for my sanity. 8, 9. Okay, I see where this is about to go. Hello. 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16. Yes. Hello. Okay. I have no clue. Never seen that before. Let me take a look. So you got libs. You got a proxy for Bedrock. And protocol lib. Nope, we don't. Those are all outdated. Libs disguise is for the mall. Nah. We've got the cosmetics core for all that. And plus it's more up to date. Which also hooks into items adder. Yes, Winter. Okay. Let me see. Okay, sorry. So yeah, you got the Nginx, which is the web server, and then you got Handle the Slime. which is, let's see, instrumental converts Anvil worlds to Slime region format. Okay, yeah, that's great, but that just converts actual worlds itself. Like, that's not a plugin or anything like that. Like, it's a completely separate tool, and it would be completely useless to us. Okay. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 25. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. This is going to help me for many other things. Thirty-five, 36. 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 41, 42. 43, 44. I'm losing my mind. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. I would like to not be the catch of the day. I guess I'm the catch of the day. Hello. Problem solved. Okay. So now that I got my little cheat sheet here. So to basically sum up what I'm needing to do, I'm taking 1 through 7 as the rows. And then going from 1, 10, 19, so on and so forth for each singular row. Within these rows, they're not going to contain like the actual slot. They're going to contain, well, yeah, they could contain the slots. And then just check if each one below it is null. If they're not, then keep going. I'll do it in order. Row 1 dot 1. This is going to take a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 10, 19, 28, 36, and 45. And that is row 1. And it is also very important I add these in order. Because we might get some very wonky things. Like, let's say I was to just click into this area. I'd probably put it in this area, knowing me. E. I have found a seat. Hello. No promises. Okay. Row 2 is number 2. And I assume 6, right? Because it's not changing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 6. Absolutely 6. 11, 20, 29, 37, and 46. All right. Two, three, four, five, six. I added one too many, but no problem. Okay. So I've got 12, 21, 30, 38, and 57. Oh, so that inventory is like 52 slots. Big brain moment with math. Okay. So, row 4. Yep. 13, 2, 30. What's going on here? Am I in the right one? Oh, hold up. I went to the wrong one right there. So 22, 31, 39, and 58. Okay. So 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 14, 23, 32, 40, and 49. 15, 24, 33. 3, 4, 5, 6. So, yep. It's 15, 24, 33, 41. 24, 3, and 41. And the last was 50. Row 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 16, 25, 34, 42, and 51. Well, that would have been really bad. Okay, so I've got the rows done. Now I gotta go. Let me think. I know I gotta do it in the events. That's obvious. Because that's gotta go where the blocks are going. I'm in the wrong events. Connect. Alright, this is where all the logic is. Okay. inv hash dot get other. Now it's getting the player who clicked. Also to return. If they have won, it'll end the game. If not, I'll just continue. Okay. So this is where I need. So right between here is where I need to put it. I need to think of the logic for this now. I know how I want to do it, but I need to make it fit within this plugin itself. Is block under... I guess I could do it here, actually. Let me think. I plus 9. And it's got to be greater than 54. Well, actually, it's got to be less than 54. If it's no, then it'll return. So I'll do it here. Okay, so let's see. I is slot, isn't it? Damn it. Yeah, I is slot. Okay, so if I gotta think. I'll do a switch statement actually, if I can. Well, I need to get where they click, if I pull this over here, I need to get where they click. If they click 21, then I need to get the third row and then go down. So if 3 is air, go on to 12. If 12 is air, go on. If 12 is material, then they could place right there because this is where they're clicking. I don't know. Anyways. Okay. Bro, what? What? What do you keep hitting me for? What do you need? Okay. Anyways, back to this. Yeah. I'll just do if statements. If okay, I'm initializing everything. Oh, wait a minute. Rows dot for each row. Map. Does not match the signature of functional interface method accept. Okay, it's not happy. Row. Interesting. I might have to do entry set. There needs to be a better way to do it. I need to get like separate rows. And I gotta figure out a good way to do that. I got it really cold in my room. Okay. Who knew this kind of logic would be so painful? Let's see. Hang on. I need to look up the difference between these two because one gets the actual row and one gets the actual value. Okay. It said that you gotta look this up, but it is what it is. Okay, so key set is the first, the second is the value. Okay, got it. So key set for each row if dot that's kind of dumb. Instead of me being able to break it apart like I want to, it's not gonna work like that. Hmm. Let's see. So if well, because I gotta get the row. I gotta get the row it's in. But you could also say that we already kind of know what row it is. So, yeah, this is. I gotta think really hard on this one because this one like isn't really straightforward with it. Because I thought like I could just do like contains. Well, I can't. I physically can't. Hold up. Because it is a list, but it's not wanting to act like a list. Yeah, this one's gonna have to take some thinking on. Because I don't think I could do it with a hash map and a list. Because obviously it's not liking that. So my mouse will work with me here. What's another way I could do this? Rows dot maybe I could do something like this. Get. I'll have to redefine them here then. I think I gotta go from 0 though. And there's like 6 rows. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So now I got the rows. So, what if I do a switch statement? Because we already know what row it is. Well, because if I do that, then what would be the point in... Yeah, that ain't gonna work. The reason it says legacy plugin Ica is because it uses like, let's say for a skull or something like that, it's probably using legacy skull, so it's backwards compatible with like older versions. Whirlwind dot contains I. For each slot. Not equal null. Then how can I do this? I could return I could just return the slot. And then well, I could still use a switch statement here. No, I can't either. Well, yeah, no, I can't. I was thinking I could do it like with the rows, and that's not gonna work. I wouldn't even come close to working. Does return that. Return I. Simple as that. And I know it looks hideous, but it works. 2, 3. 4. I need 5. Let's see. Hey, nice idea for stream. What are you coding? Plugin or mod? I'm coding a plugin. I am working on a Connect to 4 game. And to help you understand exactly what I'm doing, I am separating each row into an array. And then if it, let's say you were to click in like this slot right here, which is 21. I got to get the third row. And then within the third row, I just go down and see what item is null and not. Okay. Which, if I do that, I don't even have to have that null check. I could just do that. Oh, damn it. Give me that. Give it. Yeah, I could just do that. Because it won't really matter. Alright. Make sure it ends, and it does. So, no. Need to figure out where it went here. Return static int. I gotta figure out why it's like adding 9 to it. So if I click 1, it's gonna add 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I click 1, it's gonna go to 10. Same thing if I click 19. Oh, I see. Okay. So this is where it's like going to the next row. So let's say I was to click one, it automatically drops down to this one. I see. That's kind of cool. But that's the weird thing. If I was to click right here, it would automatically just drop down one. Hmm. So with that in mind, I'm getting the slot that was clicked, like the exact slot, so I'm not adding anything. I gotta figure out what that's doing. But for the meantime, it should just typically return I. Typically. Now with that said, if I come here, do that, and then close that off. So it checks if a block is under. If it is, and it's just gonna return that. So instead of this being a check, this is gonna be the slot that it sets everything in. So do that. Get rid of that check. And then do this. And that should be it. Of course, I gotta figure out why it's still complaining, but... okay. And return type to integer. Oh. My bad. I'm so confused. That might be a bit interesting then. Because it does not like that. Tell you what, I'll just do this. Uh, int selected. Of course, no, I want to neutralize it yet. So selected equals slot. Void method cannot return a value. I'm not returning a value. I'm setting a value. What are you on? Okay, I'm gonna make a small modification. Let's see. Okay, for each slot, if inventory slot is not null, then select the dot slot equals slot. I'm wondering if I should just like subtract that by 1. Yeah, for each slot. Maybe I should subtract it by 9 actually. -9. That way so it knows exactly where I clicked. And if the slot is not null, then it knows to like put it above it. And I will just do this for all of these. There's no need for that. I am being hit. Nope. Many things are happening. Don't need that. Oh, now you're complaining about that. Seriously? Okay, fine. Fine. Okay, and for the end, selected equals I. And I'll just return selected. Wrong place. Wait, no, that's the right place. The final local variable selected cannot be assigned since it's defined in an enclosed type. See, the issue with it being final is I'd have to literally recreate this GUI for it to work properly. Is there a workaround for this? Because let me tell you something. This is dumb. This is absolutely dumb how they have this. What I'll do is try making a static. How about that? Int selected. Does that solve my problem? That solved a lot of them. Okay. So in theory, this should work. In theory. So if I go ahead and build this, which let me figure out how to build. Should be able to, yeah, should be able to do it like that. Get that over here so I can see it. All right. And let me reboot the server real fast. Cool. And we will find out if I fucked it up or not. If I'm lucky, it works. If I'm unlucky, well, then I fucked it up. 9 times out of 10, I fucked it up. How dare I reset your life support? What you gonna do about it? It should be back up. Okay. Is it for connect? That's gotta be changed, my dude. Okay. Accept my game. No, 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 no. There's no holding on. I'm gonna kick your ass in it. Okay, so if I click here, no. Oh God. Hold up. I broke it. I really broke it. Because row 1 is null. Why is row 1 null? What? Connect 156. Interesting. So in other words, do you not start with 1? Or do you not start with 0? Is that the whole issue? I gotta figure out if it's like... I don't know. That kind of threw me off. Oh, I opened a new browser again. Don't think I need that. I did build it, right? I think I built it. I really don't remember if I built it or not. Well, I'm gonna make sure. Because I don't want to, like, try and use this and trying to debug something when in reality that I just never updated the plugin. Okay. Let me try this again. And then hopefully it'll work. Of course, hopefully is once again the keyword. Or is the keyword should? I guess that's something to think about. Server is alive. Okay. I am so gonna change that. That command is kind of annoying. Like, who wants to type for connect? Like, just do connect for. Accept. No, you. Oh, well, okay. Yalla. It's just not happy. No. That is not the issue. Yeah, well. 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 I physically cannot leave the GUI. But why is this null? Connect game. I'm neutralizing the board. When it first creates. Ow. Ow. So, yeah. I'm adding on the rows. I added the ends. See, that's the weird thing. Because I added everything like I was supposed to. Very interesting. I guess what it could do is when the inventory is called, just do that. Well, no, because that isn't solving anything. That really isn't solving anything. What if I just move all this? Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll just move all this. Because, I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to be there. It's just preferred. Hmm. Well, if I can get it to click. So I'll go ahead and rip all this out here. Transfer everything over. And we'll go from there. You know, I guess I could have just called the function manually. Nah. Doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter. Okay. Hmm. That should be it. It should work now. It should no longer be null. Unless if it's doing the get. I have a feeling that it's not getting what I'm expecting it to. I just realized what I'm doing wrong. Hold up. Where's my cheat sheet? It's getting all of this. I need it to call from 1 to 7. That's what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. Hang on. Did I miss a row? Did I really miss a row? I missed a row. I missed an entire row. Okay. I did add the 7th row, didn't I? Yeah. Okay, I did. I just forgot to add it to this. Okay. So now it's getting the roast properly. And it should work now. Okay. Welcome to the struggle of my everyday life. Let me quickly upload this. And then, of course, being myself. Why would I just like say, hey, the server's about to stop when I could just stop it instantly? Yeah, it sounds like a plan to me. Womp. Okay. I killed your life support, Grim. Are you proud of me? Okay. Well, you did this to yourself. You're the one that killed me. I don't want to hear it. Well, now you can have an even better battle. Why? Why? What is happening right now? Row 1 is null. Why is it null? That makes absolutely no damn sense. Connect 127. 127 and 218. On 27. And that just makes no sense. Like, am I just not thinking right? Because I'm clearly setting the variables. Like, I don't know how much clearer I can be to this. Because I'm setting it all right here. Because, like, I'm setting everything right here. Oh my god. Oh, I am absolutely special. Yeah, I'd definitely say that this isn't working because I never set the hash map. That's quality for you. I'll put row 1. I'm gonna put row 1. Oh, I hate being special. I guarantee you there's developers that are probably gonna watch this video and like, what the fuck are you doing? Okay. Huh. now that I can get this to work and not fuck it up, and I am getting it right. Somebody is getting pwned in the background. Someone just got yeeted. Wow, so much violence. Why must you choose violence? I killed your life support. What are you gonna do about it? You gonna run in my chat and complain? That's what you gonna do about it. Classic Grim. Okay. Get this back up. I don't get it. Why is Nightbot still in my chat? I thought I removed that. Okay. That did not work right. Okay. I don't know why it's like this. Well, I kind of made it worse than what it was. Whenever Ika decides to place a block. Yes, this is our new game of Connect 4. Absolutely great. Bro, I didn't even click there! Okay. I made it significantly worse. So it's not switching between player nails. I wonder if that's because of the way I'm doing the slot. No more of that. Secondly, it's not setting the slots properly. Hello. No bully. No bully. Ow! Bully! Ouch! Hey now. No bully. Why you bully me? Ow. Okay. Now after being abused by my own staff members. Cause okay, hold up. Maybe I can save this. Cause I need that. I'm thinking. First it was saying 57 is out of bounds at 54. So I am so stupid. Well, clearly these slots are not gonna equal null because air is now a damn block. Ain't that annoying? There's now item rarity? That's new. Okay, okay. Okay. The server is restarting. There is your warning. Actually, Grim, yeah, they use the same plugin as us. So, yeah, they use the same plugin as us with the emojis and stuff. Well, if this plugin will upload. Where'd it go? There it is. Well, if my thing would stop being weird. Okay. Everything is back up. And I'm dead once again. With items. Why must you do this? Where has the Grim gone to? The Grim is running for it. I will install an update when I'm ready to install an update. That's pain. Well, if Minecraft would decide to launch. Okay. Oh, no, I don't need that. Classic. And if they. What does it say? Because the return value of get item int is null. Okay. The bottom works. Well, it kind of works a little bit better. Kind of. Not really. Ow. Okay. Instead of me subtracting 9, I will just see what happens. Okay. Hopefully this will work. Because I'm kind of getting tired of redoing this. Cyber Code. Hello, welcome to the stream. I am losing my mind with Java. Just a classic day. Accept my invite. Okay, so if I click there. Bro, it's still null. How is it null? 57 is at a balance of 54. Why? It's like adding 3. Where is it adding 3 at? Okay, well now it's not doing it. Oh, that's awesome. I could also do that. Now this is my block. No. You can't have my block. This is my block. And this is how we create a paradox. Oh, god damn it. Hey, you gonna play your game? You gonna play? Much appreciated. Oh, no. No, I cannot click there, cause no. Okay. Okay. Well. I physically cannot click one of these. I'm sorry, did you just place 2? I gotta replay that. Okay, no, you placed 1. I was like, what? I'm running out of places to actually play. Okay, well that works. It physically cannot place anywhere else but there now. Oh boy. It's working again. I can place blocks now. Hmm. Well, if I can find a place to fucking play. So you gonna play? I lost. Took long enough. Oh shit. Uh, okay. Connect 245. 245. Get slot. And a return. I'm just gonna set that to 0. I feel like I'm gonna have to like change every bit that I just did to like a switch statement, and then for each individual slot, I'm gonna have to add a function to like move down and or like go to like a preset slot until it's not null. That's the only way I could think of doing this. Very interesting. Unless, of course, I just get Chat GPT to let just like, I don't know, make one for me. Yeah, it kind of takes the fun out of it though. But I do think I need to redo this because it's not working well. Interesting. I cannot go back any further. Well, where's that source code? For Connect. Well, see, it's not that this is complex. It's where they keep changing the functions. It makes things more difficult to like remember how exactly they work. So like used to, you would be able to get a hash map and you know like where you got the like the first object and then the second object. Usually you used to be able to get the first object and then do dot contains. But that apparently isn't a thing anymore. And why? Don't have a clue, but it just makes life a lot harder. I think it's kind of dumb the way they did it, but it is what it is. Okay. Let's see what I could do with this again. Because yeah, it's like adding 9 to it. Oh, I am dumb. I am very dumb. Now I wish I would have never done that. Because the whole issue is that I was not adding 9 to the slots like I was supposed to. Fuck. Doesn't that just suck? Well, going back to this then. Okay. Contain value. I'll try using that. Let me see. Oh, hold up. Yeah, that's right. Do row that for row 1 and that. Okay. Now I'm doing that. Because, like, I need to get the row. Getting the row is very important. Now it has. Oh, that ticks me off. Okay. Also, I have a debug world nourishment open that are caused by palette optimizations you did. That's honestly pain. Absolutely pain. I had to mess with Folia World Chunk Regionizer. Yeah, let's just say I ripped out the saving method, and now when I unload a world, I have to manually save it. But hey, it worked. Who needs autosave features? I don't. Okay, so there is that right there. Which, I mean, it basically just does that. That basically is all it does. Oh, I need to do that. I can now do this properly like I've always wanted to my entire life. I am so special. I am doing this so wrong. But that's okay. Because it works. Okay. It does not like this. Okay. Well, that works. That absolutely works. I still have to add the row 7. Oh, that's pain. Public static integer. Turn I. What are you complaining about? You do have a return statement. Do that. I shall do that. What are you going to do about it? Nothing. That's what. That. And that. Alright. Yes, Winter. Oh, hold on. I did not do the 7th row. And also that's wrong. At least I believe that's wrong. Because I'm only getting the integers. I'm not actually getting the index. Hello, human. What is happening?
Mute my phone so I can don't hear myself through through
Three.
the stream. Insert the it's not sound of something burning.
That would be this entire plugin.
I was trying to look for my folders of Doom, actually. I'm gonna be evil as fuck. I'm gonna be evil. Let's save this Corolla.
What's
Damn it.
happening?
Try and give Aika some audio things.
Confusion.
Well, Winter messaged me for audios for more things to add to it. There. Do not know if that is even playable. It's not even playing. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god, Discord. 0-0. Make my
Okay, I'm going back to my
Like-
stream now.
okay. Yeah, fun.
Much pain. Very much pain. Uh, Cybercode, I know you're very good at Java. What the fuck am I doing wrong? Well, I already see what I did wrong. But I already started it, so we're gonna roll with it. Ah. Okay, so the 7th row is not gonna work regardless because I never implemented that. I completely forgot to. Okay, well, sounds like a you problem. Yeah, shit, 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 shit. I need to add like an annoying villager noise. So when someone sends you an invite, it's just like really annoying. Let's see. Row 1 is null. But I could do that. Did I? Well, yeah, I did set it. Connect to 85. Where else? 155. Excuse me? This is 155, but there's nothing on 155. It says line 155. There is no line 155 that has anything on it. Anyways. Why is it null? Connect game rows dot get. I am initializing it, ain't I? Yeah, right here. Apparently this just doesn't do anything, so don't start with me, Windows. I'll go back to Arch Linux. Change visibility to package? What? Okay, well, it's happy now, so whatever. But I am setting row 1 right. Yes, I am. And then I need to add row 7 so that things can stop complaining. Let's see. You know how to add a space to names and batch example. Yeah. We got soundboards. Nice. Okay. Let me upload this plugin. And killed the server. It's not like you're using it at the moment. Anyway. Bro's pirating fucking FNAF. I'll be honest though. People did wait almost, what was it, like 5 or 6 years for this movie? So, I mean, I guess it's kind of relatable. Okay. Don't test me. What do you mean connection throttled? You're not even a proxy. Row 2 is null. Why? Why is row 2 null? $165. I'm sorry, but how are you null? Honestly, how? You should not be null. There should be absolutely no way you're null. Well, that's really messed up now. Because row 2 is null, but it should not be null. I don't understand how it's null. It shouldn't even be possible to be null. So, explain to me how it's freaking null. I'm just gonna move it all back into this. Because, yes. And then just take this. And just cram it all the way down here somewhere. This seems like a good spot. Well, see, I'm looking at where the source of null is. but I'm just like reading an actual server log. So it's saying that row2, like the actual function itself, is not null. Or I'm trying to check if it contains an integer, which of course is on line 165, but it's acting like it's just not setting, which is weird. Because that's the issue I'm having. Now, if I do this and have it in the same class, then it doesn't do that. Then it complains about it like being too big for the array or whatever. Which, I guess, I mean, whatever. It is what it is as long as it works. Never thought I'd spend so much time on a Connect 4 game. But hey, whatever. It's not like it should be easy. Oh wait, it is. Till it's not. And you're like me. Then you get fucked on it. Okay. Yep, knew that was coming. Here we go. Oh, look! It broke again. Still null. Why is it still null? Because I never initialized it. That's why. That time it was my fault. Damn it. I have broken like Java and Eclipse today in so many ways that I didn't know it was even possible. I was working on a patch for the Fulia server, and one of the patches were just completely broke. So it was like removing random files, and I would have to basically delete everything and reclone everything from GitHub. Or it got to the point that Eclipse just would not build anything. So I had to guess what some of the functions were. Classic Eclipse. Yeah, well, if I could connect to the right damn server, it would be nice. Come on, keyboard, work with me. And what now? Now row 2 is now null again. And I don't get it. Why is row 2 null then? Am I honestly not doing these right? Did I just like not set the integers for the rows, or what did I do? God damn it. This is why you don't let a special person do your shit. Because this shit happens. Yeah, no shit, it isn't working. Whoopsie. I'm being abused. Who all is abusing me? Why are you abusing me, sir? Why are you abusing me? I have been doomed to fall. Okay. Now that I built it with the proper, I mean, literally proper index, I can then do this. I can reboot Grimm's life support, and then it just works. It just fucking works. Right? Right. Bro, what is up with this connection throttle? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Accept my game. Okay, what now? Index 66 is out of bounds for links 54. Okay. Well. That's gonna be a problem. Index 66 set of links 54. Where does it get 66? Hold up. It added 12? Oh. It's not doing the math right. How do I need to fix this? I click on slot 12. One, two, three. Hold on. I need to get slot 12 and then add to it. But the thing is, I clicked slot 12 and it just started counting to like 66. Why is that? Anyways. Things are going wrong. Very wrong. Well, I think I'm just going to call the stream off right here for right now. Thank you all for tuning in to this live stream. Might do a game stream next. No promises. Until then, see you in the next live stream.